Good evening. My name is Brian Bambauer, and I'm the proud principal here at Randolph Middle School. On behalf of the entire Raider family, I'd like to welcome you to our school. We're eager to partner with you and provide the best possible middle school experience for your child. Tonight, you'll be hearing from our parent-teacher organization and then watching a few videos to help you understand our registration process and our elective offerings. After the video broadcasts, your classroom teacher will assist with completing the registration cards and help answer any questions you may have. Again, welcome to Randolph Middle School, and at this time I'd like to introduce our PTO President, Adrienne Campolmi.
Good evening. Welcome to the Raider Rally. I'm Adrienne Campolmi, the current PTO President. We are thrilled you are here and joining the Randolph family. The PTO provides support in a variety of ways to the teachers, students, and staff. As incoming families, we are looking for members to join our board and get involved so we can continue the good work we do. Please stop by the PTO table this evening to learn more about how you can get involved. Please also take a moment to sign up for our weekly online newsletter, the RMS eBlast. This weekly publication contains information on all things RMS. You can sign up by visiting randolphpto.com or stopping by the PTO table. Lastly, our Spiritwear team will be here this evening selling all RMS merchandise, and they are accepting cash, check, and credit cards. We are excited to have you here and enjoy the rally.
Thanks, Adrienne. We are so happy with everything the PTO does for us here at Randolph Middle School. We're very fortunate and we're grateful, so thank you for all of your efforts. Next, you're going to be watching a video that will show off some of our elective offerings, and then after that, you'll be watching a video from Assistant Principal Andrew Bell, who will help you through the registration process. After you've completed the registration process, we encourage you to stop by the Media Center to purchase Raider Spiritwear, and stop by the cafeteria to learn more about our clubs and service as action. Again, thank you, have a great evening, and welcome to Randolph Middle School.